Blackstone technology is a legacy product that covers the comms band for DF and TDOA types of geolocation, does signal recognition and collection. BlackLab, our latest generation, is a significant advancement over Blackstone. Covers a much wider frequency range from 2 megahertz to 18 gigahertz with a very wide instantaneous bandwidth. It has built-in GPU processing for artificial intelligence, machine learning, for signal identification and recognition. So BlackLab gives us a very large advantage over our competitors in that it covers a much wider frequency range, 2 megahertz to 18 gigahertz, has a wider instantaneous bandwidth. These are state-of-the-art performance parameters, and a package that is the lowest swap in the industry. So this package here is 10 pounds, and that gives us all those types of capabilities. It has built-in signal processing capability, artificial intelligence for signal identification and recognition as well. The U.S. Army and our DoD partners integrate this into the network. BlackLab is designed to open standards, so it has a MORA control interface, has a MORA data interface, so it can be discoverable on a network, and it can be tasked on a network to provide geolocations, lines of bearing, or signal identification and SIGINT collections, this type of thing. It is easily integrated into a network, discovered and controlled.